Hey everyone, welcome to The Explainer. Let's dive right into the real strategic value behind ServiceNow instance names.
You know that daily developer nightmare? Trying to figure out if your code is hitting dev or prod?
Well, grabbing that instance name is crucial, right? It literally acts as your environment's completely unique ID. So why is this specific name a total game changer? The source article actually breaks down 3 core pillars.
First up, identification. If you're juggling multiple instances, this instantly confirms exactly which environment you're currently in.
Second is integration. External systems absolutely need this exact identifier to successfully connect to your specific setup.
And finally, security. It guarantees your connections are legit, stopping accidental or malicious cross-environment access cold.
Community member Sman shared a brilliant use case, using that instance name to trigger totally different API endpoints.
This perfectly shows how just one single business rule can route traffic dynamically, completely based on the environment. By setting it up like this, you build insane efficiency. Plus, you completely avoid duplicating your logic.
So it begs the question, just how much time could dynamic environment routing save your dev team today?